This is a review for the test about simplified and subtract and factor linear expressions. So I have an example here in this exercise. Write the expression in simplest form. So what does it mean? I have to combine like terms. Like terms are 2z and negative 9z. And I have to add them up. So 2z minus 9z is going to be, you have different signs, you're going to subtract 9 minus 2 is going to be 7z. I keep the sign of the bigger, negative 7z. So this and this one combine, making negative 7z. And now the numbers, 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8, they have different signs, you have to subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5, and keep the sign of the bigger, negative 5. So 7 minus 5. If we go to the second one, it's going to be like terms, 5c, negative 2c, 12c, and negative 3d, and d. So I'm going to combine 5c minus 12c, 5c minus 12c. Different signs, subtract 7c, and the sign of the bigger. Okay? Now, this is for C. Now for D. In D we have negative 3D plus D. Different signs. We subtract 3D minus 1D is 2D, and leave the sign of the bigger, negative 2D. So this is going to be negative 7C minus 2D. This is a simplified fraction. Let's go to the next. Add a linear expression. I'm going to add this linear expression with this one. So by adding, I need to combine the like terms. Same thing. Negative 6x plus x is negative 5x. And 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Very good. And this is it. The next one, subtract linear expression. Remember to subtract the second expression that is affected by the negative sign. I have to add the opposite. 9x plus 7 is like this, plus the opposite of x plus 3. Change the sign inside, negative x minus 3. Now I combine like terms, 9x minus x, 8x, 7 minus 3, 4 plus 4. Factor linear expressions. Okay, remember to factor, we need to take this term 15x and rewrite it as, for example, 5 times 3 times x, and take the other one, 10, and factor as 5 times 2. Then this is going to be the common factor. We're going to write it here, open a parenthesis, and put here the leftovers. The first leftover is 3x. We put this sign plus, and the second leftover is 2. And this is my expression factored. The last one, 30x minus 25, same thing, 30x. I'm going to write it as, for example, 5 times what? Times 6 times x. And 25, I'm going to write it as 5 times 5. So I have a common factor here that is 5. So I'm going to rewrite this expression, factor as 5, open parentheses. The leftovers, the first one is 6x. The sign is negative. The second leftover, 5. And this is going to be my expression factored.